I'm at the Havering Country Park. There is a sign, welcome to Havering Country Park. So we're gonna go for a walk to see what's around. There's a pond, a brookside pond. There is nature reserve. There's lots of stuff. So the Royal Liberty of Havering was an ancient manor and liberty whose former area now forms part of it and gives its name to the London Borough of Havering in Greater London. The manor was in the possession of the Crown from the 11th to the 19th century and was the location of Havering Palace from the 13th to the latter 17th century. Its status as a royal liberty was confirmed by the charter issued in 1465 by King Edward IV to the area surrounding the Royal Manor House of Havering Palace. Hello. I've got a little puppy. Come to say hello to me, but he's getting aggressive. He came to touch my foot. So let's read. The Havering Palace was one of the many royal residences in England. It was located in the village of Havering, Hatboro. It stood just to the north and west of the existing parish church of St. John the Divine, which was built on the site of one of the palace's chapels. There's lots of history here. Okay, so there was a palace here. So ecology. The park is home to the wide number of bird species, including sparrowhawk, tawny owl, great spotted woodpecker, white-throat, black-cap, long-tailed twit, etc. So there are birds, there may be horses passing. It's just a big nature reserve that I can go walking. Alright, so let's go walking. Now horses is a horse area. So we'll see what we can find. We have some lovely pine trees. Look at that one. How big it is. That is huge. Wow. Look at that one. It is huge. Oh. Yeah, I like to see the horses, but I want to see them close up. Look how beautiful the countryside is. Absolutely fantastic. Beautiful countryside. Beautiful countryside. There's an airplane. I don't know, it's gone now. But I just love this. Lovely, lush countryside areas. Beautiful. I want to go see the horses. So awesome. Really, really awesome. As I said, the camera cannot do justice of how beautiful the countryside is. You'll have to experience it for yourself. But this is just picture perfect. Picture perfect. Can you see? I'm looking at a wild deer. Wow. They're foraging. I was just lucky enough to just spot them. If I go down there, they're just gonna run away, so I'll try my luck anyway. I'm so lucky. They're going away. To see deer in this park. I didn't think I would see them, but look. Is it deer? Some wild animal. It is. What is it? It's smaller than a deer. I don't know what that is. Wow. I have to go look. They're gone. Oh, is there? It looks like a deer. They're walking wild. Probably if I got some food or something. He's gone. He's not sticking around for me. What is it? To me, wow. That is amazing. If only they would just stay so I can video them. I'm just curious. Curious. so curious. You know what they say about curiosity? Curiosity kills the cat. It's gone, they're gone. They are gone, I can't see them. But that was epic. I go check out and see if there are different types of deer. Because those, to me, it looks like deer. Anyway, that was awesome. So this is an open space at the country park where people can come, have a seat, have a meal, and rest after their long walk. Just a nice green space to chill. I haven't found the pond, but it should be around some place. I'm gonna walk a little further down there and see if I can find the pond. Okay. So, here is a sign that says Del Pond. Now I want to see what is there in the pond. So I'm gonna go along this area and hopefully I'll find it. So I wonder which way is it? Is it this way or that way? The sign is pointing this way, so I'd better go that way. Alright, let's see what's here. Right. Oh, there is the information. Also, there's horse riding happening here just up one person passed. I'm just trying to figure out where the pond is. Bower Farm Road, Del Pond entrance. It might be far away from here, you know. You're here. And Del Pond. Bell Pond is, I think, over this side. Right, it can't hurt to walk. Well, let's go. It cannot hurt. I don't want to go the wrong way. I may have to do this another day, but let's see. Let's see. Oh, there's nettles all over. So this is I love to hear the birds singing. That was so beautiful. Really beautiful. I'm trying to see if I can spot them. I can hear them, but I can't see them. Did you see that butterfly? It's gone. It's gone. It would be so nice to see the birds, but not a chance. I can only hear them singing. Only hear. They're so beautiful. Can you identify the birds by their sound? Put it in the comment section. Oh, I can. No, it's a squirrel. They're way up in the tree. Oh, wow. I can spot one. It's gone now. Ooh. Those ones are noisy. Those are auks. I heard that they've been causing havoc in this area, perching on people, picking them. One person ended up in the hospital. I was so surprised to hear that. Yeah. But birds are normally good, but that was in the news recently. And they were discussing, saying that probably they were just defending their young ones. Now if you walk along and they've got young ones, they will defend the young ones. And also if they're hungry or something like that, then they'll attack people. I'm talking about the hawks, the little blackbirds. I think it's hawks they're called. Right, look at that one. I can see him. It looks like a pigeon. Yeah, it's a pigeon. He's pooing. He is pooing. So I'm heading back. I'm so disappointed that I did not find the pond. Someone said there was a pond, but it's dried up. So that's another effect of global warming. Ponds, streams. The pond that I looked at yesterday, I could see that the water level is going down. So we have to conserve our environment. We've got to do whatever we can to protect our birds and our animals and our plants. Right, so I'm heading back at the moment while listening to the birds singing lustily in the trees. So there's a forest that I would like to take you to. That's called Epping Forest. It should be something similar to this. So whenever I've got time, another lovely sunny evening, I'll take you to Epping Forest. Five Ways and Village and Mud Hill. Oh, I think this is where the pond is, but I'm not gonna go down there. I want to go back to, I wonder if this will take me to the village. You know what? I'm going to take this route, something different, because I came down the other end. And I'm going to the village anyway. That's where the car is. So come with me as you see in a world of the imagination, in the world of nature, Moore's world of nature, Moore's vlogging on nature. I enjoy it. It's peaceful and very, very calming. I love it. Love it. I wish I had more time to do it actually. I would spend my days going for walks. But it has to be sunny. I'm not gonna go out when it's wet and horrible. No way. Has to be nice and bright like today. Today was awesome.